Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a super fun DIY project. Making stylish bandanas for your furry friends. Whether you've got a cool cat or a dashing dog, this tutorial is for you. Get ready to unleash your creativity and give your pet a serious style upgrade. First things first, what you'll need. This is the easy part, I promise. You'll need some fabric, think cotton, flannel, or whatever catches your eye. Then, grab some scissors, a ruler or measuring tape, a pencil or fabric marker, and of course, a needle and thread, or a sewing machine if you're feeling fancy. And don't forget the most important ingredient, your enthusiasm. Alright, let's get started. Measure your pet's neck, wrap the measuring tape around their neck, where the bandana will sit, and add a few inches for comfort and tying. Now, grab your fabric and decide how big you want the bandana. A good starting point is to cut a triangle. The base of the triangle should be the neck measurement, plus a bit extra for tying. The height of the triangle determines how far down the bandana hangs. Once you've cut out your triangle, you'll need to hem the edges to prevent fraying. Fold over the edges twice, about 1/4 of an inch each time. And either sew them down by hand or use your sewing machine. This step is super important, so don't skip it. If you don't have a sewing machine, don't worry, hand sewing works perfectly fine. Take your time and enjoy the process. Okay, so your edges are hemmed, and your bandana is looking great. Now, you can add some extra flair. This is where you can really get creative. Think about adding some iron-on patches, using fabric paint to personalize it. Or even sewing on some cute little buttons. The possibilities are endless. Let your imagination run wild. And make it unique to your pet's personality. Once you've added all the decorations you want, it's time to finish the bandana. If you want a more secure and polished look, fold the top of the triangle over and sew it down. This creates a channel for a collar to slide through. Alternatively, you can simply tie the bandana around your pet's neck. Make sure it's snug, but not too tight. Safety first, people. And that's it. You've successfully made a stylish bandana for your best friend. Wasn't that easy? Now, put that bandana on your adorable pet. Take some pictures and share them with us in the comments below. We can't wait to see your creations. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell, so you don't miss out on any of our other fun DIY projects. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.